Make the transmitter circuit like this. Circuit diagram is given in the video description. Make the receiver circuit like this. Circuit diagram is given in the video description. As soon as the circuit is connected with the battery, random LED lights up. It is normal. First, slide the slide switch left and right for fixing that issue. Now our RC circuit is ready for communication. To activate the first 4 channels, slide the slide switch up. To activate the second 4 channels, slide the slide switch down. This remote control circuit works at a range of about 100 meters. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to leave a comment about this project. It will be very helpful for me.